Negation. Negation is an advanced NLP and persuasion technique. In The Lion King, the 2019 film, the jealous Uncle Scar uses a similar strategy in a less than positive way by challenging the future King Simba that the elephant graveyard is not a place for young cubs. The calculative and cunning Uncle Scar, knowing that the young Simba is very curious, tells his nephew not to go to the elephant graveyard. What Scar omitted and did not tell the young Simba was that the elephant graveyard was the headquarters of the ever-hungry hyenas. Scar had a hidden agenda to eliminate his brother's son, who was first in line to the throne, so that he would increase his chances of being king. Therefore, young Simba goes there even if he was told not to go. Young Simba thought that going to the elephant graveyard was glorious, so he goes there with his friend and met the hyenas in their den. Luckily, Mufasa saves Simba at the elephant's graveyard before Simba and his friend were about to be attacked by the hyenas who lived at the elephant's graveyard. Part of the idea with negation is that people imagine what you tell them not to do. If I say to you, do not imagine a beautiful red car, you cannot help yourself, but imagine a red car. Likewise, I can say, do not imagine yourself eating fresh red strawberries and mouth-watering grapes for dessert. If you are highly visual and your tasting sense is advanced, you will most likely find yourself salivating and or experiencing this in your imagination. What is important to know is that when your ideal audience imagines whatever you want them to, that will be pleasurable for them. They cannot help but want to experience it. For example, you may say, do not think about how good you will make money online after completing this program. Do not imagine yourself enjoying a wonderful vacation with your loved one yet. The formula for negation is, use a negative word to challenge your audience. For example, you should not or do not, plus the desired action in vivid descriptions as you can. Some politicians and campaigners have shot themselves in the foot by using this technique against themselves without being aware. For instance, they say do not vote for Mr. X over and over to their fans. The subconscious or unconscious mind of the average person hears and imagines, vote for Mr. X over and over again. They see Mr. X's picture in their imagination whenever he is mentioned, so on election day they may just find themselves voting for Mr. X. The subconscious or unconscious mind does not process negative words like do not or you should not, which makes sentences like vote for Mr. X and do not vote for Mr. X have the same impact. If you want to learn more about the power of the subconscious or unconscious mind, watch the 2015 movie called Focus, especially the part where the Will Smith character explains how they had programmed one of the victim's minds. Part of understanding negation is understanding the law of attraction. For instance, according to the law of attraction, the do not smoke movement and anti-drug movement have created more smokers and illegal drug users. This is because the proponents of these movements talk more of words like smoking and drugs, which may reinforce the behavior unconsciously. Also, if you analyze people, you will see that those who talk of problems have more and more problems in their lives. On the other hand, people who talk of success are some of the most successful people in life. Using negation in marketing and copywriting can be a powerful tool to capture the attention of your audience and make your message more persuasive. You should only use it positively, using words, visuals, and other creative strategies. Here are some reasons why you should be using negation in your marketing and copywriting. 1. Negation can pique the curiosity of your audience and make them want to learn more about your product or service. 2. Negation can help to overcome objections that potential customers may have about your product or service.
Examples: don't plus vivid description of desired state. Do not plus vivid description of desired state. You shouldn't plus vivid description of desired state. You should not plus vivid description of desired state. You should not picture yourself effortlessly achieving your goals, feeling unstoppable. Don't imagine waking up each morning excited and energized for the day ahead. You should not feel the exhilaration of reaching new heights in your personal and professional life. Don't visualize the possibilities as endless and within your grasp. Do not experience the satisfaction of knowing you've made the right choice. Don't see yourself enjoying the luxurious comforts you deserve. You should not feel the rush of excitement as you embark on this journey. You shouldn't imagine the envy of others as they witness your success. Don't picture the joy on your loved ones' faces when you share your achievements. You shouldn't sense the freedom that comes with financial security and abundance. Do not feel the weight lifted off your shoulders as you simplify your life. You shouldn't envision the peace of mind that comes from being fully prepared. You shouldn't taste the delicious flavors of our premium products. Don't smell the invigorating scent of success with our proven solutions. You should not experience the thrill of being ahead of the curve. You should not feel the confidence radiate from within as you master new skills. Don't see yourself standing out from the crowd with our unique offerings. Do not visualize the transformation taking place in your life, starting today. Don't imagine the relief of finally finding the solution you've been searching for. You should not feel the warmth of genuine connections and meaningful relationships. Don't picture the smiles of satisfaction from our happy customers. Do not sense the excitement building as you anticipate the benefits ahead. You should not feel the empowerment that comes from taking control of your destiny. Do not envision the possibilities unfolding before your eyes. Don't see the future you desire, and let us help you make it a reality. You should not experience the peace of mind that comes with our reliable services. Do not feel the pride of aligning yourself with a brand that cares about your success.